Welcome to our English Study and Research Center Foysal English Academy Learning English through Paragraph. Learning English through Paragraph, Sound Pollution. Sound pollution, also known as noise pollution, refers to the excessive or harmful levels of noise in the environment that negatively affect human health and the quality of life. This type of pollution is especially prevalent in urban areas where traffic congestion, construction activities, factories, and industrial operations are common sources of continuous loud noise. Other contributors include public events, loudspeakers, and even household gadgets like blaring televisions or music systems. Prolonged exposure to high levels of sound pollution can have serious consequences on health, such as hearing loss, increased stress levels, sleep disorders, and a heightened risk of heart diseases. Noise pollution also affects children's learning abilities and cognitive development, while elderly individuals may suffer from heightened anxiety and depression due to constant noise exposure. In addition to its adverse effects on humans, sound pollution disturbs wildlife, particularly animals that. Addressing sound pollution requires both personal responsibility and broader governmental action. Cities can enforce noise regulations, ensure proper urban planning, and promote the use of noise-reducing technologies in transportation and industries. On an individual level, simple changes like using quieter appliances, maintaining vehicles to reduce engine noise, and reducing the volume of music can help minimize the impact of sound pollution. Public awareness is essential in curbing this growing. Welcome to our English Study and Research Center Foysal English Academy Learning English through Paragraph.
Thanks to join our channel. Please subscribe for future notifications.